ka borakamohelo ya bahale e fuweng Banyana Banyana ha ba fihla hae ka labobedi ka morao hapa mohope wa bomampudi wa Wafcon Morocco. Mokete wa bona o tswetse pele Union Buildings Pretoria.
We need to do much more. I do believe that you deserve much more than what you deserve equal pay for equal work that you do.
It's very heartwarming to see our girls happy, successful, and getting the recognition that they deserve. So I think it's a very beautiful day, beautiful experience, and very heartwarming.
Today is one of those days that I'm so proud. It gives me goosebumps. Banyana Banyana have done it for all the women in sport. It actually confirms that women are actually up to the task as the same as men.
It's pride. It's pride for our country and what we've done with the girls, and the amount of support that we're receiving from South Africa is enormous. Absolutely amazing, and we didn't expect it at all, but it's what we wanted. It's what we wanted to give Mzansi. So yeah, here it is.
We're seeing it in cricket. Women have arrived and they are actually making themselves counted.
Ka morao ja dijo tsa motsheare le Mopresidente, Banyana Banyana ba etetse Soweto mo ba gakotseng leeto la bona ka ho kopana le ramotse wa Johannesburg Mpho Palace, stadiumong sa FNB.